Hey, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever noticed how the car count gurus tell you if you want more car count, send them a kick butt offer? But they never tell you what a kick butt offer is. On this video, I'm going to fix all that, and I'm going to show you how one shop owner made lots of money inside of 70 minutes. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer, and if you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll know every time I release new information and updates. So I said to you, started out talking about creating a kick butt offer. Now, if you're new to the channel or you haven't watched a lot of my videos, you know that I released this download. It's a simple one-page, fill-in-the-blank, step-by-step strategy to create kick butt offers. And no, I'm not talking about cheap oil changes or giving away everything. I'm talking about a true kick butt offer that makes money. Now, last week, I had the pleasure of getting on the phone with Tino from Carter Fleet Services. Now, as I always do, I have a look at the website, and nice looking website. A couple of things that I really liked was, number one, I could just tap on my phone and start an email message or just click to call the shop. But what we were talking about was that Tino decided to get involved in the free GoMo text messaging system trial. Hey, links in the description below, because if you can't text and market your customers by text, you're missing out. So what Tino did tell me while we were on the phone is that over Thanksgiving, or just previous to Thanksgiving, he decided to use the simple one-page, step-by-step, fill-in-the-blank cheat sheet that I created for kick butt offers. And he confessed that it took him a whopping 70 minutes to put this together. Like, really? That was it? Simple. And here's what Tino's sheet looked like. Now, understand this. Carter Fleet Services, I don't want to say they have ready-made customers, but they do a lot of fleet work. So where Tino went outside the box was he knew that, hey, the people that bring the vehicles in for the fleets, they have vehicles, they have friends, they have family, they have neighbors. So he decided to simply pass this out to those people. Well, think about it. They knew that the fleet services were getting service work done there. So if it's good enough for the fleet, it's got to be good enough for me, right? Hey, I just want to jump in here for a quick second. I told you that Tino said it took him about 70 minutes to develop his flyer. What I didn't tell you is that he said he generated $1,800 worth of work. Not too bad for 70 minutes. So let's get back into the video and I'll show you everything and how Tino could improve that. A couple of comments I have on this, and I want to show you how to make this better and maybe even double or triple your results. Here it is. First of all, this was done on a Word document. So there wasn't any fancy graphics. There wasn't having to go hire out or go to Fiverr. It's not sponsored by Fiverr. There was no reason to get anyone else involved but to download that cheat sheet and follow the simple steps. So on this, and I'm just looking at a copy of it in front of me, Tino starts out with a Thanksgiving travel special. And you'll notice that his conventional oil change is priced out at $59. And then just like the cheat sheet shows, he added all the services that he does anyways. Now look, quit rolling your eyes if you're thinking, oh, it's just an oil change, because I'm telling you now, you can't fix the car as it's driving by your door. And Tino understood that. He knew that if he could get the customer to come in for an oil change, and oh, by the way, save them $92 to do that, he could then find other work. So in a nutshell, here's what I've got to say. Tino, you did a great job with this. You want to beef this up a little bit? Why don't you try this? Number one, the headline. The headline is the most important thing that you can do in any piece of advertising. I don't care whether you're doing Facebook, direct mail, postcards, it doesn't matter. So I would consider looking at headlines like save $92 before Thanksgiving or something along those lines. Number two, I would beef up the savings part of this, where you're showing a total of $151 in value and save $92 or 61%. You did that perfectly because you're showing the dollar saving and the percentage saving. But above that, you could have used a little color or an arrow or something to point to that section. And the third comment I have on this is the call to action. Your call to action is be prepared and schedule now. You could put some urgency in this, like you've got a book in the next 3 days, or I could only do this for the first 10, or whatever. But the long and the short of it is, you did a great job. The only other issue is that I see looking at this, there is no website. And like I said, I did have a look at the website. I don't see that you have an appointment form, and I can't text you from the website. So that's why you need to get involved in the free GoMo text messaging trial. Go ahead and do that now and start getting customers through text messaging. Then how could you double, triple, or quadruple your return? Well, let's put it this way, Tino. You've done a great job with this. So now, basically taking a slight change to the headlines, this could be a Valentine's deal, a Mother's Day deal, a Father's Day deal, Memorial Day, July 4th. I could go on and on. There's at least one holiday per month. And if not, go ahead and look at the weird holidays that are all national holidays that are available through each and every month. So if you want to get more car count, do more of these. While you're here, if you're looking for more videos on my channel, I welcome you to go ahead and review my past videos. But don't forget about the About page, and there's some links there in order to get downloads and other things that will help you grow your car count. In the meantime, I invite you to watch this video on marketing your auto repair shop in 2020 and how to get car count in 6 days or less. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.